What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another 2023 roller coaster project construction update, also known as High Surf. And in our most recent video, well, crews went vertical with track and supports. Hopefully there's some more progress. Let's go. Well, front entrance does not look to be too busy. Security was a breeze, same with parking. And we should be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. They still have the heat advisory sign out. It is boiling in Florida. SeaWorld store is looking nice with autumn colors. Pumpkins. The wreaths are gorgeous. More autumn colors over here as well. And a nice little photo opportunity spot right here. Sky Tower. Yay, it's open. We're gonna get some awesome views.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking, please. Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals? This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. To find more information on any of our award-winning events, guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, visit us online at SeaWorld.com, download the SeaWorld app, or stop by.
I'll tell you what, that site is really active right now. I count at least 40 people on there, crane in the air. Cement trucks also going on site. Off to the left over here, we have an excavator working on some of the turns. They're going to be over in that section. And we can see the maintenance barn and some of that newly installed track with those brakes on them. Mako! And it's currently showing a 0-minute wait, and that is because it's down, unfortunately. It'll be back open later, though. Infinity Falls, and it is currently showing a 5-minute wait. That's excellent, especially on a hot day like today. Waterway Grill. Let's go check out the Pass Member Lounge, see what's new. And of course, we had the free drinks. Always a plus. So currently in the Pass Member Lounge, we have a bunch of free stuff. DVDs. As you can see, Saving a Species, sea turtles. There's a couple other things also, and you can pick those up when you first come in or as you're waiting inside the lounge. See, stack saying free. And here's a whole bunch more that are right here. And here are the 4 different ones currently available. Saving a Species. We have the sea turtle, polar bears, and wolves. Work walls are still up over here by the ice cream parlor. Yep, nothing new to report. Sorry guys, just not seeing much. Not exactly busy at Icebreaker today. But as soon as the show lets out, well, everybody comes over here. Showing 5 minutes now, but that's gonna grow. Well, it appears I found out what happened with Mako at Valley. SeaWorld Spooktacular. It is happening again. That means free candy. Yeah, buddy. We'll go over the sign, show you a little bit more about the event. You have Count Von Count's Spooktacular Breakfast, Meet a Mermaid, Pumpkin Story Time, Trick or Treat Trail, and a Scarecrow Dance Party. Again, September 17th through October 31st. And here is the map with the legends. As you can see, Trick or Treat Stations, Pumpkin Garden, Meet a Mermaid, and DJ Dance Party. And that is the location for all of the areas. And looks like this is the entrance for Spooktacular. Got a pirate ship over here with a electric spider, I guess. Yeah, that works. Mermaid gifts all covered up over there. And then here's the Meet a Mermaid. $10 photo special. Little photo opportunity right there too. Candy cane signs and banners, ghosts. Here's one of the redemption spots for candy. As you can see, they have these little tubes, so the person will stand in here and drop the candy into the bags. Gargoyle up there, right on top of the Ray exhibit. More candy stations, Haribo and Smarties. Yes. Banners are up along the fence line. And then we have these candy corn flags right here. Another candy station here. And now we're in the Key West area. Alright, so this is a bit different. Work walls up over here in Key West. And that is around the turtle exhibit area. Pumpkin Story Time. More decorations for Spooktacular. That's a big pumpkin. So yeah, big inflatable pumpkin. And inside, pumpkin patch. More photo opportunities. Photo opportunity spots galore. All over the place. Another view of those work walls. Looks like the building is getting a lot of work on the exterior. More candy stations. Yes. One there and one down over there too. And more of those banners all the way over here by the Manatee Rehabilitation Area. And there's work walls up over there too. And it looks like we're doing a little bit of cleaning in here today. Got divers in the water. Lots of manatees. And over here, those work walls. It's a big fishy. And it appears they're doing some work on the exhibit. We can see a couple guys there. A lift over there. A lot of noise coming from this area. More theming elements for Spooktacular. Another candy station. Alright, this might be the cutest thing I've ever seen. A pink chicken bat. Yeah. Couple more decorations over here next to Journey to Atlantis. More candy stations. They're everywhere. And we have another big sign like what we saw over by Key West, right down that way by Manta. Did we say there were a lot of candy stations? Well, indeed there are. And photo opportunity spots. Yet another one over here. And Kraken, well, it's showing a 10-minute wait. I love those pumpkin fish. Awesome looking. And the award for the longest wait of the day goes to Manta at 25 minutes. Thank goodness I don't have to worry about getting struck by lightning today if I want to check out my pink chickens. These guys know where it's at. The shade. It is so hot. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando, and we got a much better view of those 3 track segments that are now in place along with the supports. Station work is going crazy right now. Cinder blocks all over the place. Should be going up very soon. Launch track is in the storage area, so after they get some of the station stuff done, they'll move over to there. Manta doing a flyby, and of course we are going to have plenty more updates here from SeaWorld Orlando for their new roller coaster. And if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.